Hello everyone, my name is Leo and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use Microsoft Premiere Pro to create your own tutorial video. Without further ado, let's get stuck into it. So to kick things off, we will initially need to open Premiere Pro. If you don't have it on your computer, I suggest you go to the Creative Cloud desktop and downloading it from there. Alright, so we're going to click New Project, give the project a name, and make sure you have it saved to an easy access location, like your desktop. And as you can see, this is the desktop of Premiere Pro. So in this far corner, we actually have a very handy area where we can search up tutorials to learn more about this program. Here's where you're going to import all your media for your videos. And here is where the time sequence will show up as you import those. An alternate method where you can import your videos into Premiere Pro is by simply going here, clicking import, and then you go to your movies, go to captures. Now it's going to select everything initially, so you just click on the folder and then select only the content that you need accordingly. And you click import and it should all show up here. So to make things easier when you've imported your media, rename the actual file names so that way you can number them, so that way when you're ordering everything over here in the sequence tile, it'll be easier to sequence it correctly so that way the video runs accordingly. So now that all our captures have been numbered, we can simply drag and drop them in the sequenced order. So let's get stuck into that. Keep existing settings. Now if you hold the S key, it should be able to snap to the end of each media. So make sure you're holding the S key when you're dragging each bit of media into your file. To make things easier, there's these toggles here which actually control the viewport. So that way you can see your media. Just simply scroll like that and you'll be able to scroll through to visibly see each of your media. In this case, the audio files were actually separate from the video files, so we're going to have to import those too. Simple process again, just go to where your audio files are located. In this case, it's on my desktop, and collect the specified media that you need. And click import. To move all your media over, simply click the selection tool over here, then select all of the media which we have, and just drag it accordingly to where you want it. Just give myself a little more space than I need. I've done this because we've recorded an intro as well for the video, and we're going to put that here along with its thumbnail, which is right over here. And to extend the duration time of each bit of media, you can see that there's this little red icon here, and we just simply drag along to the snap right there. To upload your media into the sequence tile over here, simply follow the same process as before and just drag and drop. Ensure that all of your audio is lining up with each video frame that it's corresponding to. So in this case, we need to align the audio properly with the visual because they're out of sync. So just move that over here as much as you want. Just double check with the frame visually to ensure it's right. Start up, go to your web browser, and which it is. So where the audio starts, we're going to trim that to that level, and where it ends we're going to also trim it to the level over there too, just to double check.
And then click continue.
Yep, that's perfect. So we're going to trim that like that. And then just simply move everything over like that. Once your video is put together and you've run it through all your final checks, you can click export and give your video a title. So we're going to title this Instant Tutorial. And you can even preview it right here. You just click.
Go to record set.
Ensure that you've got it set to a good location where you can find it easily, and then you simply click export. And just like that, your video is ready. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.